Dragon Ball Daima has been more than willing to expand on series lore over its first batch of episodes, diving deep into the demon realm and shining focus on those who have originated from it. So far, the anime has revealed that both Namekians and Glind, the race that Shin belongs to, are native to the realm. Dragon Ball has never been a stranger to retcons, and it seems its newest change completely rewrites the origin of Majin Buu. Originally said to have been created by the wizard Bardock, Buu came under the control of Bardock following the Kai's defeat of the evil wizard. Dragon Ball Daima, however, has thrown that origin story aside entirely, revealing that Buu was actually the creation of the Great Witch Maba. And in episode 9, titled Thieves, the ever-mysterious Dr. Arinsu, with help from Maba, creates an all-new version of Buu named Majin Ku. While the retcon doesn't make a world of difference to Buu's role in the story, it does raise questions about how he was created. Seeing as Ku is the product of a Saberman seed and a pinch of Buu, fans have begun to wonder what ingredients went into the creation of the original terrifying pink Majin. Unexpectedly, as pointed out by X-user 0_skill0, a few key details point to the iconic and dastardly Frieza being involved. In the time Dragon Ball Daima has spent in the demon realm, the series has made it a point that the native demons have pointy ears. The key features have been used to explain the Namekian and Glind ties to the realm, and has been a key identifier for multiple characters to recognize that Goku comes from the outside world. Now that the newly introduced Ku's ears are also pointy, Majin Buu's visibly round ears stand out from the crowd. While there may be other explanations for Buu's lacking demon realm traits, fans have pointed to Frieza as another character with similarly shaped ears. He isn't the only villain to have the identifying trait, but he is the only one to have expressed prior knowledge of Buu's existence. During his return in 2015's Resurrection F, the iconic space tyrant reveals that his father, King Cold, warned him to stay away from both Beerus and Majin Buu. The only characters to have been aware of Buu's existence prior to the battle with the Earthlings were Beerus and the Kais and other select Demon Realm natives. Beerus is likely aware of him due to the attack on the Kais, which would have had consequences for the Destroyer's well-being. Inhabitants of the Demon Realm may know him of simply being a Majin, which leaves a mystery pertaining to exactly how King Cold would have learned of Buu. Given the distinctly round-shaped ears, a member of Frieza's race may have been one of the ingredients in the creation of Majin Buu. It may seem like a stretch to come to that conclusion based on the ears alone, though the fact that King Cold was the only non-deity or demon realm inhabitant to be aware of Buu's existence does create an interesting thread between the two characters. Though their similarly non-demon shaped ears are a curious common feature, Frieza and Buu aren't the only Dragon Ball villains that have them. In fact, Perfect Cell also had the same distinct ear shape, marking all three Dragon Ball Z era main antagonists as sharing the trait. Dragon Ball Super's Jiren has them as well, while Hit seems to have some close variation. What makes the theory interesting is the knowledge of Buu's existence that was passed on to Frieza and how it was acquired in the first place. Unfortunately, the fact that so many villains share the same ear shape also points to the possibility that some random, unremarkable species could have been used as an ingredient in Majin Buu's creation. And though the possibility is far less fun than having Frieza and Buu become relatives, it is a very real one. Dragon Ball Daima has not eased up on rewriting already established franchise lore and doesn't seem to have any intention of doing so. Future episodes will likely continue to expand on the universe of Dragon Ball, and fans aren't going to want to miss out on the action.